In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow microphone access in Loom. If you are trying to record in Loom and your microphone isn't working, don't worry. This is usually caused by either a browser permission setting or a Windows privacy setting, and both are fairly quick to fix. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can get back to recording with audio enabled. First, if you are using Loom in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, start by opening Loom and signing in to your account. Once you are on the Loom website, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Directly to the left of the website address, you will see a small lock icon or a settings style icon. Click that icon to open the Site Permissions menu. From there, select Site Settings. This will open a page where you can manage what the Loom website is allowed to access in your browser. Find the microphone option in the list. If it's currently blocked or not allowed, change it so that microphone access is set to allow. This tells your browser that Loom has permission to use your microphone during recordings. After changing that setting, reload the page. You can do that by refreshing the browser tab. This step is important because it applies the updated permission and gives Loom a chance to recognize your microphone properly. Now, if you are using the Loom desktop app on Windows and it still isn't picking up your audio, the next thing to check is your system's built-in privacy settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard to open settings. Once settings is open, go to Privacy and Security. Then find and select Microphone under the App Permissions section. Make sure microphone access is turned on for the system overall. Then scroll down and confirm that Loom is also allowed to access your microphone specifically. If this setting is off, Loom may open normally but still won't be able to record your voice. Finally, check that the correct microphone is selected as your default input device. To do this, right-click the speaker icon in the system tray and open Sound Settings. Look for the Input section and make sure your active physical microphone is selected as the default. This is especially helpful if you have multiple microphones connected, like a headset, USB mic, or built-in laptop microphone. Once you've checked those settings, Loom should be able to detect and use your microphone correctly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.